Welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. In this video we are going to be unboxing two new subscription packages. These ones are coming from Annie's. So let's get started. Alright, so we have done 3 months of Quilty Box. We have now gone through 3 months of Open Gate, though these are right on top of each other because I got most of the Open Gate boxes when I was taking my 6 weeks off from YouTube, so you're going to see them, very, very close together. For the next round of subscription boxes to try, I decided to try Annie's subscription boxes. Now, they have several. I can't even remember how many. They have quite a few different subscription boxes. I opted to try the fat quarter box because I know I can do a lot with fat quarters, so I figured that would be a fun and easy one to do. And I tried the holiday one, which apparently every month it is a holiday themed project. So for Annie's, we're going to do 2 each month and see how that works and let you know what we think. So I haven't even opened them. I got them in the mail. So let's crack into them and see what we got. And I don't know which is which, so we're going to go with this one first. This is the thinner of the two. And, oh, look, it's a perforated edge, so I don't have to use anything. Open for happiness. That's what the package says. And look at this packaging. It is so, so cute. It's like, rather be quilting, so cute, crazy for quilts, happiness as fabric. But as I'm opening this, I want to let you know, I am purchasing these with my own money. They are not sending them to me, and all opinions are mine. So, oh, this must be the, let's see here. This is the holiday one. Oh, how adorable is that? All right, so let me take it out of the plastic so you can see it without, oh, there's Miss Doodle. She's even curious in what we got. What do you think? You like it? Yeah? No, she just wants more ice. All right, so let's take a look at what we got. This is the Boo Crew wall hanging. Fabrics from Riley Blake Designs. This is the Holiday Quilters Club. Let's see, skill level beginner. It's going to be 22 by 14. Tells me what's in our kit. We will also need batting thread, fusible web, rotary cutter tool, grids, and basic sewing tools. So, I don't know, it doesn't say anything about backing fabric. So is the backing fabric in here? Let's see. We have, oh, look at this. All the little buttons, made in China. All the little buttons. We have the 5-inch brown square, a black fat quarter of black solid, and white print, which I assume, oh, look how cute is that? It's all metallic. Oh, that's adorable. And then we have dark purple print, again, super, super adorable. And then we have the orange, 1 yard of orange print. So yeah, this has got the backing and everything in it. And that is also the same print, but in orange without the metallic. So we have got a really, really cute little Halloween kit. Really doesn't look very hard to make. You're basically putting a border onto a background and doing a little bit of applique, and we have got our templates. They are full size. They are reversed. Good job, Annie. And they're all labeled. So this will be really fun and easy to make. I may just make this into a video because, again, super fun. Got all my little buttons, and that is my very first holiday subscription. And I have to say, one, I timed it with Halloween because Halloween is my favorite holiday. But two, I figured, what the heck, let's try this. I don't do a lot of holiday stuff, so let's have some Halloween spirit around here. So there is our Boo Crew wall hanging, and I will definitely get that made with the cat, the bat, and the pumpkin. So this one retails at $19.99, so $20 for this kit. Shipping and handling, oh, you know what? Let me not get you guys too excited. Yeah, this one cost me $21 because when you first go to sign up for Annie's, the very first time, they give you 50% off your kits. So this was probably a $40 kit, and I got it at half price because I chose these as my first kit. So when you do it, if you're going to do more than one subscription, make sure to plan to do it all at once, because that one, I'm assuming it's the first time only, you got 50% off. So pick as many of the subscriptions as you want, because you're going to, or you could afford, because you're going to save big time on that first one. So there's the Halloween one. So this one is the fat quarter one. And I'm not sure what we've got here. Again, open for happiness. Let's see. Am I gonna like the fabric? Oh, let's see. Oh, how cute. Cute, cute, cute. So, this is the Annie's Charm Pack Club. Oh no, I'm sorry. That's another club you could join. It's the Annie's Charm Pack Club. I got the Fat Quarter Club. This would normally be a $24 value, but again, I got it at 50% off, so it was $11.99. And let's see what we've got in here. And just make sure there's nothing else in there. Now, my understanding was there's a notion with this, but I could be mistaken. What do we got? We've got beautiful flowers in yellow, plaid, flowers. Oh, I love the words. Unplug, together, gratitude, farmhouse, sunshine. That's really pretty. So no, I guess there is not a notion. Well, it feels like there's something in there. I guess not. There's no notion with it. It is just 6 fat quarters. So 6 fat quarters at $4. Yeah, so you know they're giving it to you a little less than cost if you pay for the full price. And it is a surprise what you're going to get. You don't know. So if you enjoy getting Happy Mail and love all fabric, this is a really nice one to do. Again, I think I got more fun. These are backyard blooms. I think I'll get more fun out of the holiday one. Again, I don't have to think about this one. This one has a pattern and it tells me what to do, and you know, easy peasy to follow. This one I'm going to need to use my imagination and make it up. So those are the 2 subscriptions I've got from Annie's, and we will be getting that for the next couple of months, and I will definitely share it with you. And if I happen to get the Blue Crew quilt done, I will share that with you next time. So again, I thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying these unboxings and getting an idea of what kind of a subscription box you can get in the quilting world. I actually just order these online just like you, and I just like getting Happy Mail. It's very, very fun. So with that being said, please make sure you like and subscribe and ring the bell if you want to be notified every time I have a video. And I appreciate all of you for watching, and have a good night.